3rd and 4th week of August 2025. The story of small but powerful grinding machines. Capacity can serve up to 3 households, grinding about 10 kg per hour. Motor, single phase, 1.5 HP. Power consumption, around 1 minute per hour. Suitable for grains, wheat, maize, barley, finger millet, foxtail millet, buckwheat, beans. Stable voltage is a major concern when it comes to the electricity generated by many hydropower systems in Nepal. As a result, we also thought of providing 3.5 kVA servo voltage stabilizers with the machine to protect the motor from fluctuations in electricity. We visited India and identified a reliable manufacturer. We explained the electricity conditions in the villages, and based on that, they advised us to opt for servo stabilizers instead of regular ones. Servo stabilizers use a servo motor, buck-boost transformer, and control circuitry to provide continuous and precise voltage regulations. We placed an order for a total of 16 servo stabilizers, 14 units of 3.5 kVA servo stabilizers with a voltage range of 90 to 270, 2 units of 7.5 kVA servo stabilizers with a voltage range of 140 to 270. The factory owner requested 7 days to complete the order. We did our best to ensure they used only the highest quality components during installation, and we spoke to them openly about the nature of our work and made it clear that these units have to endure a tough and lengthy journey ahead. All the 16 voltage stabilizers got ready. We understood the process of wiring the stabilizers and connecting the machines to them. We requested the workers to pack all the stabilizers as neatly and carefully as possible. Transporting from India to Nepal. Bringing towards our warehouse. They seem small but are extremely heavy. To connect the machine and complete all the electrical work, we carried all the tools with us in a small bag, including a voltage meter, 32 ampere MCVs, 180 meters of 2.5 mm copper wire, a wire stripper, a tester, a medium screwdriver, different types of pliers and thimbles for connecting wires behind the stabilizer, a small hammer, pliers, electrical tape, wire clips. First machine, village, Tharikanda, Jagannath-Pura Municipality, Bajura. Going towards the village with machine and voltage stabilizer inside the jeep. The mountain roads were very narrow and slippery, and the equipment had to endure quite a lot during transport. Mr. Bhakt and Mrs. Amrita, they both are neighbors. There was a good power plug inside the house, so we didn't need to do any wiring or install an MCB. The installation was quick, only one wire had come loose, so the machine didn't start at first. We opened the back panel, reconnected the wire, and it began running smoothly. Everyone was so happy to see these types of new machines and stabilizers. So many villagers came to have a look. It felt so amazing to make the villagers this happy. Second machine, village, Dadagaon. It lies between Narakot and Tharikanda village, Jagannath-Pura Municipality, Bajura. In this house, we did the wiring, installed MCB and voltage stabilizer. Both the machine and voltage stabilizer worked very nicely. Mrs. Ramila and all the nearby villagers are very happy. Third machine, village, Mahati, Jagannath-Pura Municipality, Bajura. Transporting the voltage stabilizer, it's compact but very heavy. This is the place where we have installed the machine. The machine worked nicely. Mr. Tekjan already had one rice milling machine. He suggested connecting the stabilizer to both machines. We began wiring based on our understanding, but unfortunately, we made some mistakes and the stabilizer started smoking. Now, it has to be sent back to India for repairs. Thankfully, the machine itself is still working fine. Fourth machine, village, Mahati, Jagannath Rural Municipality, Bajura. Mr. Bir Bahadur. We did all the wiring, connections, installed MCB and voltage stabilizer. The machine and stabilizer both worked nicely. They are very happy. Fifth machine, village, Rudi, Swami Kartik Khapar Rural Municipality, Bajura. These individuals are both hardworking and knowledgeable. They had already constructed a stand for the voltage stabilizer and installed a high-quality switchboard. We did all the wiring and installed an MCB. Both the machine and the stabilizer worked well. Mr. Dan Bahadur. We only noticed one minor issue. The motor speed was slightly low, which seems to be due to a capacitor problem. We will replace it as soon as possible. Transporting two machines to the next villages. Sixth machine, village, Zukot, Swami Kartik Khapar Rural Municipality, Bajura. Mr. Anand. We carried out proper wiring, installed the MCB and the switchboard. Both the machine and the stabilizer were functioning well, but it seems there is an issue with the village transformer. At times, the voltage reached as high as 330 volts, and as soon as the machine is switched on, the entire house loses power. Nearby villagers have reported similar problems. One even said even the television doesn't work properly. It keeps flickering all the time. We believe the villagers need to reach out to the hydropower office to get the transformer repaired or replaced. Once that's taken care of, everything should run smoothly. Seventh machine, village, Zukot, Swami Kartik Khapar Rural Municipality, Bajura. We transported it in a tractor. The voltage stabilizer looks small in size, but it's quite heavy. We somehow managed to transport it to the house. We did all the wiring and electrical work. The flour machine worked well. Unfortunately, the voltage stabilizer didn't start. We're not sure what went wrong or where the issue occurred. It's possible something happened during transportation. We did our best to troubleshoot it, opened it up, consulted with a technician, but still couldn't get it working. Looks like we'll have to send it back to the factory for inspection and repair. Eighth machine, village, Baone, Swami Kartik Khapar Rural Municipality, Bajura. From the main road to the village, 2 hours of uphill trek. We successfully did all the electrical work, installed the MCB and the voltage stabilizer. Both the machine and the voltage stabilizer worked beautifully. So many villagers came to see the new type of machine. 8 flour making machines, 8 voltage stabilizers. All the machines have been installed under a shared investment model. Half of the factory cost was contributed by the villagers, while we covered the remaining half along with the transportation expenses. We believe when villagers contribute, even partially, they feel a stronger sense of ownership and responsibility toward the machines. This often leads to better care, maintenance, and long-term sustainability. These machines will bring numerous benefits to the community. School-going children will now have more time to study and play as they no longer need to spend hours walking to grind grains into flour. Villagers will also be able to enjoy a more diverse and nutritious diet rather than relying solely on rice, bringing significant health benefits to the mountain community. We still have 6 more machines and voltage stabilizers like these, which we have stored at a trusted contact shop in a place called Gwadi Bazaar. Our original plan was to distribute them to families in Himalayan municipality near the Humla district. Unfortunately, at that time, the region's electricity supply had been damaged due to floods and landslides. Now that we've received confirmation that power has been restored, we're planning to visit that area again soon to install the machines across different villages. Thank you so much everyone for enabling us to carry out all these wonderful things. Namaste.